In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification on LinkedIn. If you want to add an extra layer of protection to your LinkedIn account, turning on two-step verification is a smart and simple step. This security feature helps protect your account by requiring not only your password, but also a second form of verification when you sign in. That means even if someone gets access to your password, they still should not be able to access your account easily. To begin, go to your LinkedIn homepage and look at the top of the screen. Click the Me icon to open the account menu. From the drop-down list, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps your account preferences, privacy controls, and important security options. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy area, move to the left sidebar and click Sign In and Security. This section is specifically focused on login settings and ways to keep your account secure, so this is where you'll find the option you need. Now scroll down until you see the two-step verification section, then click it. If you've never enabled it before, LinkedIn will give you the option to begin the setup process. Click Setup to continue. At this point, LinkedIn will ask you to choose how you want to receive your verification codes. You'll usually see two options: Authenticator App or phone number, which uses SMS. An Authenticator app is often considered the more secure option because it generates time-based codes directly in the app. SMS can still be convenient if you prefer receiving a text message on your phone. Choose the option that works best for you, then click Continue. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to verify your choice and complete the setup. The exact prompts may vary depending on the method you selected. For example, you may be asked to enter a code sent to your phone, or confirm a code generated by your Authenticator app. Just carefully complete each prompt until LinkedIn confirms that two-step verification has been turned on. Once setup is finished, your account will have stronger protection during future sign-ins. It's a good idea to make sure the device or method you use for verification is something you can reliably access when needed. That way, signing in stays smooth while your account stays more secure. And that's it. You've successfully enabled two-step verification on LinkedIn.